What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, hope you're all doing great, hope you're having a great weekend. And welcome to your daily SUI update. I've been covering SUI daily for, ever since its launch, giving you my thoughts on both the long term a little bit, and mostly focusing on the short term. Right, so I've been doing this since the launch. However, we have now, like I have predicted by the way, we've gotten into some sort of a consolidation. Right now we're mainly consolidating between 1.35 and 1.27. Now what that means is that, all right, this is as expected. I think we will consolidate. And then at some point we will get some bullish breakouts and rally. That's still what I expect. However, it might be a little bit boring to look at it every single day. So I wanted to ask you if you still think this is necessary. Otherwise, I would just update it when I think it's necessary. So that could be every other day, like 2 times a week, 1 time a week, depends on the movement. So let me know what you think. But so far, I think it has been valuable to create some daily updates and tell you what I expect. But all right, before we get into SUI, if you want to get some trading signals, I trade full time. If you want to join some of my trades and get some profits from that, I've been a profitable trader so far. Check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. And again, and a full guide, and you'll have a chat room and stuff. But all right, let's get into SUI. So right now, what we're seeing is just it's partially normal weekend behavior because the volume is dropping down significantly. Compared to the market cap, it's still fine, but it's a significant drop. But this was also just expected. What we've seen, and I've said that countless times already to some of you, but what we've seen with these big launches is that usually they get some volatility at the start, and then they get into a consolidation, and then at some point, usually they will rally. It kind of depends on the market circumstances, but usually they will. So right now we're in that consolidation phase. That's also what I said yesterday. We are technically between 1.38 and 1.4. That's our main resistance level. Between that level and right now our main support level is this level right here. I would drag this down a bit at 1.26 and let's say it like this, 1.28 and 1.26. So right now we're dropping down there. We found support at kind of the higher ends of that level, but it does look like we'll drop down there. And for now, I think we will actually be able to hold that. I think we'll drop down there, hold it, and start to trend back up towards 1.34, 1.35. Now, I'll make the thumbnail something like when SUI will rally, because I do think I have some sort of thoughts on that. Right now, as I said, it seems that the consolidation is mainly between 1.35, from which we have some bullish breakouts sometimes, and then 1.26. That seems to be the main level. Now, first of all, if we get some bearish momentum in the markets, so if Bitcoin starts dropping down here, down to like 28,000, then the consolidation will move down a little bit. SUI will drop down to that level between and around 1.22 and 1.24 and find support there. So that's still something that can happen. But apart from that, for me, the main thing how you can actually identify when SUI will rally is not 1.38. I think it is 1.35. The moment we can break above 1.35, what you'll see is whether we can actually, like if we break above 1.35, we'll get to 1.38 and 1.4. And what you'll see is that if we do not get any resistance at 1.38, we'll probably find resistance at 1.4. But if we do not find resistance at 1.38, means that there's a lot of bullish momentum, and that we will probably find resistance at 1.4 and then continue with that bullish breakout. So the first cue which you'll actually have to watch is when we break above 1.35, I think, which is actually very possible. It's something I do expect in the next 2 weeks. So yeah, I will be monitoring it closely. I'll try to buy it on time. Right now could be a great time to buy it, but there's also some bad things about buying it now. For example, being exposed to inflation and stuff. But all right, that's my take on it, on SUI for now. Again, let me know how much you want these updates daily. But for now, thank you for watching. Enjoy your weekend and bye.